Hey guys, what's up? This is Bharat. You're watching iGyaan, and today we are checking out the new OnePlus Bullets wireless. So let's quickly get started. The OnePlus Bullets wireless have been launched in India for a price of $3990, which is quite comparable to the US price of $69 that they've been launched for. Now, OnePlus has often made lots of accessories for OnePlus devices, and they have made Bullets earphones in the past, including the Bullets V2. This time around, they wanted to make wireless earphones, so the Bullets wireless are their first Bluetooth earphones, and we're going to unbox them and see what they fare like. So let's cut through the packaging. The box does open up in a split format, and you do see the headphone case in a bright red color, which looks really nice. It's a silicone pouch, is the first thing inside the box. On the other side are the Bullets wireless. I'm going to get them open from this packaging. Inside the box, you will also get additional ear tips and wing tips. Depending on the size of your ear canal, you can swap these out and get a really good fit. Like I mentioned, everything fits nicely in the silicone case, and you also get a warranty certificate as well as a quick start guide to get you started. Now, if you take a look at the earphones themselves, they are neckband style earphones, so they're not truly wireless earphones. And for a price of 4,000 rupees, we've already seen a few truly wireless earphones that are available in the market. But because these are neckband style earphones, OnePlus has been able to do a few things with these that other companies have not. So for example, they offer up to an 8-hour of battery life, and they do charge quickly using their dash charge technology via a USB-C port. If you charge it for 10 minutes, the headphones will run for about 5 hours, and a full charge will allow you to run them for 8 hours. The earpieces of the earphones themselves have something that OnePlus is calling an energy tube design. It's a longish earbud, has 9.2 mm drivers, which is a fairly good size. Another cool feature that these earphones have is the magnetic power switch. So when you're done listening to music, you just snap these together. This also prevents your earphones from falling all over the place or dangling around, and they connect with each other and stay snug, but also stops playing music or disconnects the phone call the minute you snap these together. So they sort of disconnect and go into a power saver mode the minute you do that, preventing your earphones from draining out of battery. Now, most of the heavy stuff sits on your neck, so these earphones in themselves are quite lightweight. Now, sound quality is a completely different thing. From our own experience, we found these earphones to be extremely mid-heavy or vocal heavy with low bass and low treble. We didn't play around with equalizers much because we're looking at the stock sound coming from these earphones directly. So we checked it out on iOS devices as well as Android devices, including OnePlus devices, and we found these earphones to be extremely vocal heavy. Now, OnePlus could obviously tune these with software updates or firmware updates for these earphones, and you can of course tune these using equalizers, etc. if you have them on your phone. But the overall audio experience is, like I mentioned, extremely vocal heavy. Now, of course, these are also not truly wireless earphones, and when initial leaks happened for the OnePlus wireless Bullets, people thought that they're going to be true wireless competitors to Apple AirPods. And after the AirPods, we've seen a whole lot of wireless earphones from very many companies, including those from Sony, from Bose, and from Indian companies like Zac and Crossbeats, apart from the Apple AirPods themselves. And of course, there are hundreds and thousands of other options available in the market today. Now, OnePlus has made a really good solid pair of wireless earphones that do have a good solid battery life and are water resistant. The Bullets wireless are, however, not truly wireless earphones, and they're extremely vocal heavy, which makes them good for watching videos or watching movies or anything with a lot of spoken text. But going beyond that, going for music without equalization, without lowering the mids and increasing the bass and highs, you're not going to enjoy your music experience on these, and that's just what the experience is out of the box. If you're one of those people who can tweak around with the audio and tune it in an equalizer or an audio tuner and an app on your smartphone, then you can really get a good experience from the Bullets wireless. But as it seems, for a price of 4,000 rupees or $69, you do have several other options available in the market that not only offer up truly wireless audio experience, but a much fuller, wider sound stage, giving you a good music experience from your earphones. That's it for this quick review of the new OnePlus Bullets wireless. We're going to be keeping you updated if the company does push out a software update or a firmware update for these earphones and improves the audio quality. But for now, this is where it is at. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, hit that subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. This has been Bharat. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.